I've been closing out every show of the tour. The tour is called Gabby Bryan is my best friend, and I am. And I've been closing out the tour doing advice. Because one time a therapist told me that I should be a therapist. Yeah. Which I think we can all agree, no. But I often give advice online, so if anyone needs help with anything, now is your moment. We have like 6 minutes. Let mommy save you. Go ahead. I think we've done enough. No. You have something? Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so I have a straight couple that's best friend. Anyways, I had a sibling of the guy come in town. They're they, them. They're from the DMV. So, essentially, me and the sibling really hit it off on a night out. I was already a couple drinks in, but I love them. We ended up making out in my friend's kitchen. You know.
Kitchens are for making out, everyone knows that.
Yeah.
Daytime cooking, nighttime making out. Yeah.
Anyways, I'm going to DC organically in May anyway.
Why does one go to DC organically?
I'm doing a solo trip, and I was like, free museums, cheap solo trip, good food and drink.
What we really need to focus on is you planning a solo trip to Washington. That's the biggest problem with this whole thing. It's the only city in the U.S. with hostels. One of. Miami. You could go to Miami alone. Okay. So that they them wants to see you in Washington D.C. Oh, I thought you said that they were from the DMV. Did anyone else hear that? That's the area? Oh, I'm picturing like to have sex. I'm picturing to have sex with them. You have to bring like 6 forms of identification and a electric bill. Guys, we have to help this Gen Z. Everyone relax. Okay, stop. We need all the details. Everyone relax. This is chaos. The gays follow no rules. Can you believe that? Listen, hostels are for fucking. Everyone knows that. Yeah, babe. You're in for a gangbang, honey. They honestly, if you have sex with a they, them, it kind of already is a gangbang. Because it's plural. I think, do you want to get a hotel? Do they live in Washington, D.C.? Oh. You don't want to go back, you don't want to see where they live? This is a crucial piece of information when you have sex with someone. You're not looking to date, you want to fuck. What are they hiding? You what? How? Where did you get that? Everyone's like, where do they live? What are the apartments look like? She goes, are you getting paid? To fuck? Are they them? You get government funding? Okay, no, I hear you. Keep going. How tall are they? How tall are you? Be a toddler and be taller than you. What? Where is the HR department of this fucking country? Jesus Christ. I don't know, let's both get a hotel room and fuck this lesbian. I think you should always have a budget, in your travel budget, you should always have a section for momentary fucks, okay? Because this is the money that you will spend on a trip. You're saying next door to the lesbian bar, they have a dungeon for sure. I bet you the lesbians have a smush room upstairs that you could rent. I think budget, what's your travel budget? Are we highballing or lowballing? Under $1,000. The Gen X have a lot to say. I think this is what you do. Budget? $85. Relax!
If they live there, they can pay, or you can pay.
No! We are not making they's pay right now, okay? I think this is what you do. This is a fucking disaster. I think $85. You're treating a they. You have to treat the they. What? Yeah, but she's a she. This is like she'll get a fucking tax rebate if she takes out the they. It's good. It's a good thing. It's yeah, exactly. DEI. We bring it back. We bring it back. Boots on the ground. Okay. If they take away DEI, we have to start fucking DEI. I think budget $85, wherever that gets you. Hotel room. You're fucking, you're not going to the Ritz, right? Okay, you already made a plan. Why do you need it? Okay, $150, suite at the Marriott Bonvoy. Period. Don't touch the minibar. I know you do, my girl. I take it all out my porn on my fucking sets. I make them. Okay, she's grabbing at her tits. You guys are awesome, honestly. Okay, one more, and we gotta go. Oh, one quick one, actually. Go.
I want to fuck my boss.
Here's my advice. Do it, bitch. I fucking dare you. I dare you. Where do you work? Where do you work?
A credit bureau.
Oh my God, fucking someone at a bureau? That's so hot. Is your boss gay?
I think it was an E.
I don't think he's gay.
It doesn't matter.
But he's like kind of gay.
But he's what?
He's like kind of gay.
What do you mean by kind of gay? Because he works at a bureau?
But he has a wife and kids.
This guy goes like this. Is he flirting with you?
A little bit.
A little bit? Ah! In what way? Can't see you. Hot. Where do you work?
Asked me to go to a private.
Nowhere? It's the opposite of your boss. Want a fucking intern right here? He's flirting with you?
Yeah, he asked me to go to a private room.
Oh my God, that's her kink. A private room in the credit bureau? Where is that default? Oh my God, you know the hot vault. You know gay guys are ripping it behind the vault. Where was the private room?
It's like a conference room.
Ah! Okay, and you didn't go?
No.
Yeah. This is what you do, and because we have to go. This is what you do. Walk into his office. I'm assuming he has an office. He's your boss.
He does have an office.
Incredible news. Walk into his office. Door open. Really live that madman. Madman. Madman life. Click. You're wearing stilettos. And then just hands on the desk like, do you want to fuck or not? And see what he says. And either you fuck or you're fired. Guys, thank you so much for coming.